Hi, this is DoorBird Technical Support, and I'm going to show you how to use our webadmin feature. The webadmin has the same features as the administration on the DoorBird application, but it's a browser-based login. You're going to type in your admin username and your admin password, and you're going to log in. Here you have your admin portal. So to add new residents, you're going to go to your keypad settings. You're going to create a new keypad. We'll call this 1234 for the code, and let's give it a name. It's important that this is turned on. This allows the name to be in the directory. And we have our schedule. This is pre-configured to send a push notification for this keypad code. Every action in these display units need an associated keypad code. So we're going to save. We're going to go back to our user. So we already have a pre-existing user here. So this would be if you add one. Let's show that right now. We're going to add a new user. This is the 3 user. One username can support up to 8 devices. This comment is just for you personally. It's not for the display, to keep you organized. Password is pre-configured. It's about 30 characters long. We're going to assign the keypad code. So let's assign the one we just created. And if you want the residents to always be able to see the video feed and detect motion through a push, these are the permissions you're going to want to select. So let's say we want this person to have those permissions. We're going to save. And this is where you can see the password for this user that was generated. You have an option to send an email or download it as a PDF. So what that would look like is a download in your browser, and then here we have, this is what you're actually going to share with the customer. You can mass email them, you can download them all and send them in a folder. So this is the QR code that the resident will scan to add their app user account inside their DoorBird application. After you do that, you'll hit done, and now we have this app user that's set up to receive a push. As long as the correct person has this app user account added, they will start to receive push notifications.